Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I am going to play with the Poppi Cosmetics See You Never palette. It is beautiful. I'm pretty sure I already uploaded a swatch video of this palette, and I will be uploading this video not long after that. I already have my base makeup on. I used all the stuff I normally use. So, I mean, if you want to see those things that I use, the only thing that's different that I used is this Wanderess blush palette from Wander Beauty. That's the second one that I've been on. And let's see. I want to say that's pretty much it. Everything else is the same that I always use. So, of course, no foundation, concealer. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you wanted to subscribe to my video, or subscribe to my channel, you can go ahead and do so. Just hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. And please like this video if you end up liking it. And also, comment down below, what do you think about the look that I'm going to do? You'll see it. Hopefully you stick around for it. But anyways, I feel like I've been talking forever. Let's get started. So I'm going to use this tiny little Glamour Dolls brush, and I'm going to make sure that it's cleaned off because I used it yesterday, and yesterday I was wearing red, so I definitely don't want to put the same color that I had on yesterday in. So I already primed my eyes. I used the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use this shadow here. It's called Good Riddance. And that color is really cute. It's kind of like a salmon-y color. Kind of like right in between pink and orange. I'm going to use this brown here. It's like a orange brown. And I'm going to put that in my front portion of my lid. Or not my lid, I'm sorry. The front portion of my crease. And kind of blend those two together. Kind of want to do like a two-toned look today. I'm going to put that Good Riddance back on the outer. I kind of feel like it faded. Stop. My camera is like attracted to something. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and now I'm gonna use this color here called Ghosting You. I'm gonna put that in above all of the crease work that I just did. Now back into Your Loss. And then again into Good Riddance. Right, so in the outer corner, I'm going to use this brown, and it says it's called Not Down. my my shimmer brush and I'm going to use this color here, Friend Zone. I'm gonna spray it because I spray all of my shimmers. I'm just gonna put that right in the middle. I don't know why, but I feel like that front shade is fading. I think I'm gonna use Dead to Me, which is right here. And I'm gonna put that in between that outer corner. I'm gonna put it in between the outer corner and that peach shade. Kind of like for a little bit of dimension between the two. So it'll give it like a little bit of a blend, hopefully. I'm also gonna take that same shimmer that I just used, spray it, and that's gonna go on my lower lash. Back into Friend Zone. I think I'm going to put Friend Zone all the way to the front of my lid. Just because I feel like it comes off a little lighter on my eyes than I originally planned. Trying to reinforce the color. Kind of blending out that brown Your Lost shade with this. I don't really love the way that brown color looked. We're gonna use the highlight shade in the Wanderess palette just for a lighter shimmer. Hopefully it's shimmery enough. Like I'm gonna keep going because I'm not a person that gives up easily. I think I'm gonna go with this bright orange, bright orange called Outrage. And I'm going to do my brow. Actually, I think I'll do all of that here in a second. I'm gonna do my other side. Alright guys, so here is the finished look. What do you think? Do you like it? Is it good? Did I do the new Poppi Cosmetics palette justice? I am happy with the look. I don't really have any thoughts on the palette yet. I like it so far. So yeah, for my brows, I used my She Glam brow pencil, and my lashes, I used Milk Makeup waterproof mascara. And for my liner, I used the Estate Cosmetics black that I got. I want to say I got this in an ipsy. What else? Oh, and for my lash line, I used this bright orange in what is it? Outrage? Make sure it's nice and intense. But yeah, I used in Outrage. So I'm gonna need to clean up a little bit of fallout. And I think I am gonna powder my face today. I just use RCMA powder. Get that forehead. Okay guys, so what do you think? Please do me a favor and like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please think about subscribing. If you have thought about it and you want to, please hit that notification bell. I'd really appreciate it. Comment down below. I love to talk to you all in the comments. It's honestly my favorite thing about YouTube is making friends that have a lot of my similar thoughts and tastes in makeup. Also, if you are not following me over on Instagram, go ahead and do that. If possible, I post makeup looks and I do a lot of collabs over there. So please, please do that if you could, if you have an Instagram or whatever, if you decide you want to see more makeup content from me. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.